Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down. Then click on Privacy Protection over here. After that, you need to click on All Permissions and tap on one of your device's options, like camera. Then select an app. I will go with AliExpress and click on one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so now when I go back, as you can see, AliExpress app just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always just go with any feature and look for an app that you are interested in. Like for example, I will go with location to access Chrome. Then click on See All Chrome Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app. From here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!